Welcome to Noel Deasy Cars in Blackpool, Cork City. Today we have the 2020 Skoda Scala, 1 litre TSI engine, 95 brake horsepower. This car also has the style pack, and at 23,950 this car is sure to go. This car has a very aggressive look. You can see with the LED daytime running lights as well as the adaptive front light system. You have the 17-inch alloys wrapped in brand new tyres. LED tail lights with dynamic indicators. You have the rear glass pane that comes all the way down to the handle. Rear sensors as well as a rear view camera. Inside we have the panoramic sunroof. The leather interior on the seats is absolutely astonishing. Now you have your normal things as well, which come in the Scala style, which is the Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, full leather multifunction steering wheel, automatic lights as well as automatic rain sensors, and push button start. This car has amazing value and rare spec. At 23,950 euros, this car is yours today. So contact us on 021 439 5024 or pop onto our website at noeldeasy.com.